Welcome back to Immediate Colorado. It is Chase, your regional sales manager for the state, and I'm here today to perform a call out for the Vail Valley. That's Beaver Creek, Avon, Edwards, Vail, pretty much the entire Rockies. We are here rolling vans on the ground, providing the best 5-star white glove service that you can have come to your house here. We understand that if you live at the top of the Rockies, you have gone through countless troubles with pretty much every type of contractor that you bring into your home. We're here to change that. We're offering the best service performed locally. If you're interested or just having issues with your current provider, reach out today. I'm on the ground doing everything from just hanging a TV over a fireplace, Sonos systems to fully integrated, $1.5 million fully voice activated systems where you can, hey, turn on the lights and we'll listen to Willie Nelson in the common area, all the way down to just simple one-button remote solutions like we're here in this house today and there's 5 remotes, and I'm coming back to change that. We're gonna get him onto a simple, fully integrated system. And we just couldn't be more thrilled to be rolling vans up here in the region and be your go-to, not only audiovisual and home cinema, but full smart home custom integration provider. So again, thanks for checking in. Reach out today, follow our YouTube channel and see these cool builds we're going on. I'm doing everything from 20-year-old technology systems that are barely hanging on, retrofitting them, bringing them right into 2024, as well as working with hands in hands with the best builders available in the Rocky Mountains, making sure that every aspect of your home is not only built to spec, but future-proof for 10, 15 years down the line. Follow technology where it goes so that you're not deployed with a system that works for today. We're worried about your system working for the lifetime of the home. So really getting in on the ground floor, working directly with designers, architects, builders, electricians, making sure that everything is taken off your plate and even off your builder's plate. Why should your builder be your audiovisual expert? That's what we're here to do. So if you're looking for a full custom home from the ground up, a renovation, or even just a TV hung above your fireplace mantle, you know who to reach out to. Get in touch with one of our experts, schedule a free video consultation. I'll come out to your house, meet you in person. We'll design the perfect plan for your home and your needs. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Turn notifications on so you can see all these cool builds I got coming along. Thanks for joining me today. Can't wait to see you on the next one.